What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and like, subscribe. This is a detailing slash Mustang mod slash anything you can kind of think of stuff for the Mustang. So today's video we're going to be doing a review on turtle wax, hard shell, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna be waxing the car. I haven't waxed the car since I've bought the car. I've actually waxed it once, but that was back in Arizona, and that's been a long time ago now. So we're gonna go ahead and wash the car, wax the car, and I'll give my impressions on, if it's a good product or not, and I'm also gonna show you guys how to properly wax a car. So let's go ahead and get this car washed, and yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, now that your guys' car is super clean, I mean look at this, want me to lick it? I'll lick it. Now that your car is super clean and now full of spit, you can go ahead and start doing your super hard shell paste wax from Turtle Wax. So always read the instructions on how to apply this stuff. It says to do it on a nice cool surface. This side of the car is cool, the other side it has some heat beaten down on it, so that's going to have to be really fast. Some of the things you will need is going to be the applicator pad that it comes with, some microfiber towels, and that's basically it. So what you're going to do is you're going to do one panel at a time. So say this super long fender, do this one fender first, and then go ahead and wait for that to not really bake on, but to get a good haze. And while you're waiting for that to do that, go ahead and start on your door. So basically you're applying, buffing, waiting, and then you're going to skip the next panel, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and get that started. So go ahead and apply a little bit to your, where am I at? So go ahead and apply a little bit to your pad here, and like I said, we're going to do this whole fender, and then we're going to do the door, and then everything else around the car, and then let's go ahead and get into it. See a little haze that's kind of forming along right here? You want that, so it's soaking up the paint. Especially if you just got done clay barring your car, or just got done cutting it with a compound. This is really good for afterwards. So we're gonna let that go ahead and dry for a second. We're gonna go ahead and start on the door. So look, as you see here, I've already buffed off some of it with the clean microfiber towel. This is still the haze that's there. I'm not sure if you can tell a big difference, but it feels honestly a lot cleaner as opposed to the untreated paint that I've done so far. So go ahead and buff off the rest of it, and then you'll be all set to go. Alright guys, so my first impressions on the Turtle Wax is really good. I like it. I would honestly recommend it. By the way, this is not sponsored by Turtle Wax by any means necessary, but if you're watching Turtle Wax, you can go ahead and sponsor me. Shh. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys like this video. There's going to be more detailing videos to come on a glass cleaner that I bought from Napa Auto Parts. All the parts, or all the things that I bought, were from Napa Auto Parts, so their link will be down there. It's not sponsored. Wish I was. Sponsor me, Napa. Anyway, once again, guys, stay focused, guys. Be safe. I'm out here, guys. Peace out.